What's up guys, and welcome to another video here on my channel. Today's video is going to be all about this beauty right here. This is Quickvolt 8 or 08. I know this is kind of confusing, but I looked it up and it's basically the same scooter model but from different brands. I bought this for myself 2 weeks ago, so I already tested it and I absolutely love this. I used it for like 60 kilometers by now, and yeah, let me tell you my opinion about it. Firstly, I have to tell you that before I bought this scooter, I have never ever tried an electric scooter before, like not even the rental ones, the Lime scooters. So this was all new to me, but I'm still a kid and I love this kind of toys, so I had to have one. And yeah, so as a totally newbie and a beginner in this electric scooter world, I have to say that this is super stable and easy to handle in my opinion. It's a pretty powerful scooter. The top speed that I got was like 37 kilometers per hour. It has 3 gears. Now I'm in gear 3, and actually let me show you how good is the acceleration. So 3, 2, 1, go. 20, 26, 29, 31, 33, 34, 36. Woo! And that's it. Woo! In like what, a few seconds? That's crazy. I love it. It's a little bit noisy when you start it, but once you accelerate it, it goes silent as, I don't know, giving a candy to an annoying kid or something. This scooter has double suspension and it's a pretty well done. I have run into some nasty potholes and the suspension absorbs the impact really well, but it can get a little bit rigid on poor roads. Like let me show you on this one. You can really feel the vibrations in your feet and in your arms. And it's a little bit noisy on this kind of roads. The motor is powerful enough to take you to some semi-steep inclines like this one, and on off-road it climbs no problem. Woo. One thing this scooter is missing in my opinion, but it's something super minor, is that the lights are on the downside of the scooter and they are super powerful ones in the nighttime, but I would have preferred that the front light would have been here on the handlebar because I think it's more visible, but you can buy a light separately. It's not that big of a deal. The front wheel is pneumatic and the rear wheel is solid, so if you get a flat tire, you can look on the bright side because things can go 2 times worse because the other one is solid. But anyway, yeah, enough with the park and let's hop into traffic. What I like about scooters is that you can squeeze into traffic easier than the bike because it's smaller. Woo. Whoop. Let me show you how easy I set off from the traffic light. And here we go. Okay, let's talk about the battery life. You can go up to 40 kilometers. I have used it for, I don't know, 29 kilometers, and I still had left like 2 battery lines. The brake is doing its job, considering it's a single rear drum brake. If you're not riding with too much speed, you can stop safely, and also it has an electronic brake. Oh. Okay guys, so this is the scooter. I personally love it. Of course it's mine. No, but really, it's really a nice scooter. It does its job to get you anywhere in traffic. That's what I wanted when I'm not using my bike, and that's what I got. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Don't forget to stay active.